Hello, welcome once again to another episode of Pick Up With The Ease. I'm Enrix.
And I'm Antonio. Today we'll be showing you how to cook a simple and tantalizing recipe,
2-in-1 bacon egg sandwich.
Our ingredients for today are
cooking oil, margarine, eggs, onions, tomatoes, bacon, and 2 slices of bread.
Start by beating up our eggs. We beat up our eggs. We add a little bit of salt. We are going now to fry our bacon. So we add a little bit of cooking oil. We add our bacon. We are going to pan fry it to make sure that both sides are crispy brown. Make sure to put them on medium heat for 4 to 6 minutes.
While the bacon is continuing, let us spread margarine on our slices of bread. Make sure to spread the margarine on only one side of the bread.
As you can see, our bacon have started to brown, so we'll make sure it has become brown on both sides and also very crispy. As you can see, our bacon are now crispy and they are brown on both sides.
Once you have finished frying the bacon, we now make our sandwich.
Make sure to use a non-stick pan. So we are going to add our beaten eggs. We're going now to add our slices of bread. Make sure to put them on the sides at the middle part, with the part which has been spread margarine on the top part.
We then wait for the bottom part of the egg to cook. We now turn over our egg. See, it's brown and well cooked.
We now fold the edges of the egg. We are now going to add our fried bacon. onion, and finally a piece of tomato. Make sure to cut the tomato and the onion into rings. We now take the other side and properly and carefully placing it on the other side of the bread.
Looks brown and crispy.
And voila, your sandwich is ready.
Yeah.
We now cut it into half.
Testing time.
Very delicious and very crispy.
Very yummy.
This is such a nice and very simple recipe that anyone can try.
Yes, you should definitely try it.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed it.
Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't, so that you can get our newest videos. Go to the comment section and tell us that you have subscribed, because we'll be giving shoutouts on our next video.
Also, like, comment, and share it with friends and family. Until next time,
Au revoir.